Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We've done a deep dive into the market to find the most affordable and highly sought-after video doorbells available. After thorough research and testing, we're excited to present you with the top 7 options that offer excellent features without breaking the bank. Let's get started and see which one is the best fit for your home security needs. First up, we have the AOSU Video Doorbell. This one delivers stunning 2K resolution with a 166-degree wide viewing angle and a 4.3 aspect ratio, ensuring you can see visitors from head to toe or check out packages on the ground. One of the great things about AOSU is that it doesn't require a subscription, offering secure local storage via an SD card and a 2-month cloud storage service for free. With advanced AI algorithms, it reduces false alarms by accurately identifying humans and ignoring pets. Plus, it comes with a signal-enhanced base station for a more stable 2.4G Wi-Fi connection. You can quickly respond to visitors and even use a voice changer for added privacy. Next, we have the Lindo Video Doorbell, featuring a wider 190-degree field of view thanks to its dual camera setup. The 5MP camera provides sharp images, boasting up to 20% more clarity than traditional 5MP lenses and a significant 50% improvement over standard 2K cameras. It also uses advanced AI algorithms and quadruple detection technology to minimize false alarms to less than 1%. With its superior infrared lights and 3D noise reduction, the night vision is as clear as day. The Lindo doorbell is also IP67 weatherproof, ensuring reliable performance in harsh conditions. The Agara video doorbell integrates seamlessly with Apple HomeKit Secure video, providing a privacy-focused solution with local AI face recognition and smart notifications. It supports 24/7 recording with multiple storage options, including a micro SD card and cloud storage. Powered by either 6 AA batteries or existing doorbell wiring, Agara also includes a loud chime and supports WPA3 Wi-Fi for enhanced security. You can use the voice changer to disguise your voice and set custom ringtones, making it highly personalized. Eufy's video doorbell stands out with its dual camera technology, eliminating blind spots and ensuring your doorstep is fully visible. It offers instant notifications when packages are delivered and alerts if someone approaches your package. The 3-second preview videos let you see what triggered the recording, and the 2K HDR provides clear identification of visitors, even in backlit conditions. Best of all, Eufy doesn't charge any monthly fees, allowing free access to local storage. ZUMIMALL brings a wireless installation freedom with its rechargeable battery, eliminating the need for power outlets. It features anti-theft measures and voice masking to enhance security. With 2K resolution and excellent night vision, it captures sharp details even in low light. AI detection goes beyond simple motion detection, recognizing humans, pets, vehicles, and packages. ZUMIMALL offers flexible storage options, including local SD cards and cloud storage without subscription fees, and it's rated IP68 for weather resistance. Doorbell offers a simple and totally wireless installation, including an adjustable stand for optimal viewing angles. It provides 1080p HD resolution with a wide 166 degrees viewing angle and automatic night vision. The 2-way talk feature and voice changer enhance communication and privacy. Smart motion detection with customizable alert zones ensures you only receive relevant notifications. With free 7-day cloud storage and support for local micro SD cards, Doorbell offers a convenient and cost-effective solution. Lastly, the Reolink Video Doorbell features 5MP Super HD resolution with advanced HDR 3D DNR for sharp and detailed images. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, providing a stable network connection. The doorbell is weatherproof, making it reliable in harsh conditions, and offers a 180-degree wide viewing angle. Included with the doorbell is a chime that plugs into any outlet with 10 different melodies to choose from. The built-in microphone and speaker allow for real-time communication with visitors, and you can set up voice messages for busy times. So, there you have it, folks. That wraps up our review of the top 7 most affordable and highly sought-after video doorbells. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect match for your home security needs. If one of these products stands out to you, you can browse detailed information and purchase options by entering the ASIN numbers of the products into the Amazon search engine. Whether you prioritize a wider field of view, advanced AI detection, high-resolution footage, or robust weatherproofing, there's a perfect fit for you. For those who want a subscription-free experience, the AOSU and Eufy models are ideal. If you need superior image quality and extensive weather resistance, Lindo and Reolink stand out. Agara offers seamless integration with Apple HomeKit, while ZUMIMALL and Allbor provide flexible wireless solutions. Choose the one that best aligns with your security requirements and enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is well protected. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and updates. See you in the next video.